Dyson fan. I got a couple days ago from Bingley. So I think the model is AM06, I believe. So okay, let's get started and unbox this bad boy. Okay, just this little sticker. Oh, shoot. Okay. Whoa. So some paperwork. No one can read it. And oh, what's this? Oh, we got a remote control. Oh, which is pretty cool. Wow, this is a fan. Well, actually, I think it's like a bit smaller than I thought, because it's like 30 centimeters. So it should be like very good for like a desk fan. Oh, and also very light. Oh, okay, too much plastics. So pretty much this one just like a plastic ring. To be honest, I don't know how it can, blow some air, but anyway. So this, okay, just put it aside. Okay, I believe this one should be like an engine or whatever it should be. So apparently we need to do some like assembling stuff. Okay, so you can see there's a click 1 and 2, and we also got a 1, 2 here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just put everything away and we put it on. Should hear a click, which means it should. Oh, I'm not sure it's working. Oh, and it's a bit harder than I thought. Whoa. I don't want it stuck somewhere. Okay. Let's try it again. Oh, this part can be moved. Good. Okay, I heard the click. That should be all good. So let's just plug it in and see how it works. Okay, I think the switch should be here. Oh, wow. I'm not sure you guys can hear the sound. It actually starts blowing the air. Oh, which is pretty cool. Oh, the wings are very strong. So
can I
should be pretty
adjust
cool.
the?
Okay, and let me try the remote control so we can turn it a bit stronger or a bit lighter. And I think the most important stuff is this guy is very quiet compared to a like a traditional fan. It's really quiet. I can't say I can feel here. This is because I'm very close to the fan, so I can still hear, the wind, they blow the air. But I think it's much quieter than other traditional stuff. So I gonna try some other functions later on. So maybe in the future I'm gonna do a review video about this fan. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and also I want to thank my wife behind the camera. See you next time.